Right on, my friends. I'm turning my basic car into a house with no experience whatsoever. But in the process, I learned enough to teach you today how to properly attach two bloody boards of wood together very strongly. First, calculate where you're going to drill precisely so you don't ever do this. Don't ever do this! Then apply wood glue on the surface very impressively, like me, and spread it a bit with half a Lego railway sleeper to even it out. Put your stupid board in place, lock everything down with your 90-degree corner tool, and it's time to drill. Use a bit slightly smaller than the diameter of your screw and drill the full length of your screw. Go! Go! Don't stop, just go! Drill away, my little sweet cake! Now, very important, you're also going to drill the first board a second time with a bit the same size as your screw. This is because we want the screw to be loose in the first board and tight in the second. The screw is not supposed to grip both boards, only the second. It will be much tighter like this. See? Very tight screwing. Don't screw it too tight until the glue is dry. Keep everything clean with your Lego tool. And there we go. We have the first 3 boards of the car house. Now stop pissing me off!